mai whekau, me he whatulo o ke tahine whahu. Ko e whanau wano tua te mei mu ani, ko mau whai anga lo tu o kui kai ke mau o takatakai ki mau tolo he ngahi api nofo anga. Ma ke tai me o kunga tai e mau iai. O ka ke nau whia maa e nau whiohi. Ma koe nau hoko at koe nau whiohi. Nai hoko te ke apo Sione mafi mo venusi. Mo ilo i pehe whamri ko Sione mafi. Te hi ahe longo a a. Nai whai palo fisai ki ai talange ko ia ko hono ui ki hai whanau. O whoki ata mai Sione mafi loi au pita palo fisai a kone. E o ko whehi au he longo a e whanau. Ka ko kutala loto pe ko whanau. Nai whanau i ko toa pena tolu ki a Sione mafi. Pe a kuna wanga maa he ahoni. Kono tā ki nau tolu e Sione. Ko ngutu o taha pe, ko kai, ko ngutu wheu kai, ko ngutu wheu tala noa. Kai, whakalongolongo ngutu, kai, ko kai a kai taha pe ngutu. Nane ngāo hi pehe e whanau, pe a, ko he's the only grandpa they know. Na whanau ki nau tolu mate, ta mai ako ke mahina hiwe tai ne lai. Pe nau mama o nau tolu me tangata eke a skalu, i tonga. Pea koe grandpa pēni ki he whanau a aku nau ilo i. O kuhu au pito ka te nau tolo e more a tangata e ki. Pea te utok whai manatu melie ke uhanga o hoko te fo i video koe a whaone. Anai. Lai tuangia ki nau tolo ki whai e nau hiva whaka whaka osi. Koe whanau koe ni o kuna o whalahi ki a he tangata e ki malo o pito nusi. Ko nusi na ne whaatau ta ofe Sione me ta e hifo ko kilalo taha e whanau. Ke tuku pe mua ke whae nau whia ko ngā ko aisea pe mobili. Pea koe malolo a Sione tōlahi, makai me pe tōlahi whangat tau keti o bili mo aisea. O whangatua ngā ane whanau mo nau whangatua whawhiri. Ka nau whai atu e hiva, a ngai hiva manako Sione mafi, hiva ia te whanau tō kuku koe ni. Mālo.
Whapeta ke ka pāra ke mo uia grandpa e tai ma tole lea whakapālangi. Te mau lea whakapālangi pe, ke mahina te mau lea. Like what Mom said, Sione mafi he was literally our great uncle, but he played the grandpa role in our lives, and when he's got a lot of grandkids, and you'll probably see them tonight, and he made us feel really special. Gamal Gai of Ibendosi, and he like cuts them in triangles so that there's enough for everyone, and sometimes he'll wait. What's in our guy, and then he'll eat. Sometimes we'll save some, like, Sione mafi, there's not a lot, we'll save you some. He said, no, you eat, and I'll eat. And then sometimes there wasn't anything left, and he was content with that. And that was one thing I remember about him, is that he always made sure that there was food on the table, like, it could be toast or anything, but it made us, he fed us really well. Sometimes if there was food left, it would be our lunch, so we'll have toast the whole day. But and another funny thing is when he cooks, he puts everything in the same pot. So he'll put chicken, rice, okra, like there's sometimes even the drinks, and he said it's going to the same spot. You might as well. That's what school holidays. You know how like balangis, they go to the beach or they go like overseas. For us, it was go to Sione mafi's house, and like sometimes just 5 minutes, and we hated it because we knew that we would either clean, pray, or we weren't allowed to watch TV. So that was like really sad childhood memory. But there was always a time during the day that we would have to pray, and it's not like a normal prayer that we do just one person. If there's 10 of us, he'll make us all pray one at a time, and we. Not only that, he made us pray in Tongan, and some of us aren't really good at speaking Tongan, so we'll just pray like, we had a sentence starter, which was, that was how we started our prayer. Then we'll say, and we'll just name everyone in the circle, and like that's how we used to pray, because we didn't know how to speak in Tongan. tongan, and Isaiah, which is his oldest son, he used to say the longest prayers, and that's why Sela loved him the most, because he just impressed him with his tongan, and like we just sit there and get angry at him because there's 10 of us to go and he's praying so long. And but that was just a fun memory because I would not trade that for anything. I would never trade that for a holiday at the bench. My tongan isn't that great, but at least it's better because of him. And I'm really going to miss him because my parents, when they want to sneak out, they'll leave us with him. And he really did a great job in raising us up, and I'm sure that he's smiling down proud of the young ladies we become. And he's just such a God-fearing man, and for anyone to know him, you'll understand what I'm saying and when I mean that he's really God-fearing.
My favorite memory of Sela was last year when I went over to Mexico. I went over to Mexico last year for 5 months, and we were at the airport, and it was time for me to say goodbye to everyone. I went and said goodbye first to Sione, but I thought that he didn't really understand what was going on, so I just hugged him. And then like when I was hugging him, I heard him start crying, and I was like really teary. And then like he was like crying and telling me to take care, and then it really surprised me because I thought he didn't know what was happening. I didn't think he knew that I was going, but I hugged him anyway. And then when he started crying, I know it sounds like really dumb, but like when he cried, then like I realized that he really does like love me, like. And I'm gonna miss you so much. Thank you for fighting to the very end. Thank you for everything. I'm gonna miss you, and I'm happy that you're now in peace and that you're free.
My favorite memory with friends is one Saturday morning I had to go look after her because my family was for her first birthday, and so I was to go look after her, and when I went to go stay with them, he wanted to watch Mr. Bean. So Mr. Bean is just like a comedy film, and he was like, I find out Mr. Bean gets our seal, so I plugged it on and plugged on the TV, and we were watching it, and then during the film, like he was like kind of mocking like Mr. Bean, and he was like calling him like melie and stuff like that because of like the funny stuff that he did. And then like I fell asleep halfway through the movie, and like when I woke up because I fell asleep, I woke back up and he had like a baby black cat who was like cuddled on the chair, and he was watching it. And when I woke up, you can see what he was watching. Like once you had Fiverr and there's the credits, he was watching that because the movie had already finished, and like I was like, oh sorry, and I went to change it, and like it just reminded me like anything that interests him, then he still pay, like he doesn't care if it's like the end of the film and it's the credits, he'll still watch it, and like he always like raised me up like what mom and they said like he was like my grandfather figure, and he always raised me up, and like I remember when we were very younger, like we used to have like math competition, and he would like write down the timetables on the paper, and he'll give us like equations, and it would be us girls, Isaiah and Bibi, and like he'll give us like when the marks, he said go, and we have to try calculate it, and then we'll be like, oh we don't know this one, and there's like 5 okay I, and like Isaiah was always the first one to finish it, and there was always a prize for whoever finishes the timetables, and it was just like the best like grandfather anyone could have, and yeah, I'm really gonna miss him, and I want to miss his voice, and I remember one time he was singing, and he yelled at me for not singing with him, so I had to sing, and I was singing with him, and then he got at me, and he told me to sing up, like harmonize, and then I was singing with him, and I was gonna miss his voice, I was like miss him calling me off for wearing like Fala, that's really, and yeah, I'm gonna miss him,
My favorite memory was like whenever I go to Lucy's house, like I'm one of the youngest, so like anybody who was my age was really in his friends, so like I would so some of it would either be upstairs or downstairs,
And if it was upstairs, like, salsa manatu tangata, and that